Guys, here in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube video without the internet. YouTube video is a popular video search engine to watch movies for free, entertainment, and have access to all forms of life on clips. To watch YouTube video you need to have the internet access. For instance, let me first disable my internet access and see if we're able to watch YouTube video. Let's see. So I no longer have internet. I can see no connection. So I'm not having internet access for now. So let's click on this video and see if it's going to play. So no connection. It will take forever for the video to load. So in this trick that I'm going to show to you in this video, you will be able to watch YouTube video without the internet on your Android phone or iPhone. So let's get started. So before we proceed, I'm going to enable the internet access again. Now my internet access is enabled. To confirm that, I'm going to play the video once again. You can see I'm back online. So the video is playing. What I want to do is we want to actually watch this video without internet access. So what we'll do is you need to open your YouTube app on your Android phone or on your iPhone. Tap the search button and search for the movie or the video you want to watch on your Android. So let's say Mr. P. Let's say you want to watch Mr. P one more night. So we search for Mr. P one more night on YouTube. This is the search result. So pay attention from this moment as you will be able to play your favorite YouTube video without internet access after now. So click on the video you want to play offline. Wait for the video to load and start playing. And wait until YouTube displays all video information such as the video title, video description, the share button, and the rest of them. Sorry, my network is bad. So while we wait, let me pause the video. So we have a full loaded Facebook page for the video we want to play without the internet. So look for this download button if it is downloadable. Otherwise, you need to search for another video. So this video download button is disabled, so you cannot play this video without the internet. So let's look for how to another video on how to enable WhatsApp fingerprint lock screen. Now, look through the results and click on the video you want to play offline on your Android. Pause the video and tap on the download button. You will see downloading. Now we are downloading this video for offline purpose. So To see the download, go to library, tab download. So it's downloading now. Once the video is downloaded completely, you'll be able to watch the video offline. If you have other videos you have downloaded or added to your download video on YouTube, you have them. So I have a lot of them. So I have like 20 or more of them that I watch without the internet. So now, supposing I have downloaded the video, which I expected to have done that, I'll now proceed to watch the video offline. Now, permit me to turn off my internet access. Now, so I will launch the YouTube app again. You can see you are offline. Now, to be able to watch YouTube video that are downloaded without the internet, I will go to the library, tab download. Now, go through the list and click on the video you want to watch. So in this tutorial, I'm going to watch this video, chess video on how to play chess. So I'm learning how to play chess so fast, so I need to watch a lot of them to be an expert. Okay, let's go with this video. You can see the video is playing. So that is it. And you see, I am not connected to any internet. Both Wi-Fi and hotspots are turned off. So this is how to watch YouTube video offline. With this approach, you can play as many as possible YouTube video without the internet access. So permit me to turn on the internet access. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you don't want to miss our next update on how to watch or play YouTube video on Android without the internet, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.